Hello everyone, welcome back to the Onyx Automotive YouTube channel. Today, we've got a special one. We've got a brand new 2022 Audi RS3. This car has came in today for a full xpel paint protection film install. Not only are we going to be covering the entire car, even in the hard to reach places, which I'll explain later, we're also going to be applying paint protection film to the screen on the interior as well as the gloss black trim. We're not going to do too much talking as per usual. We're going to get straight into that process right now.
Try to find the light from the sun when I'm underwater. I'm gonna try to feel the heat in the core. You're making it harder. Oh, every day that's passing by, wanna feel your hand in mine. I'm gonna find the light, which is making me shine. The smile of yours. Never shut again, never wait again. Never shut again. What up, wait, never shut again, never wait again. Never shut again. What up, wait, never shut again, never wait again. Never shut again. What up, wait, never shut again, never wait again. The touch of yours is what I've been looking for. When you say my name, I just wanna feel you more. I try to read your book, but it's too complicated.
So the car is actually now complete. I want to quickly go around and show you some of the areas that we've actually managed to paint protect. We've actually managed to squeeze paint protection film underneath the underside of this wing. Welcome to the interior of this beautiful Audi RS3. First of all, definitely one of my favourite interiors out of any Audi vehicle. The bits that we paint protected include the gloss black trim around the centre console and also the screen here. So therefore, if you manage to scratch it with your fingernail, these trims here are a deep gloss piano black. So therefore, it can be very prone to scratching. So it's very important we paint protect these areas on a car of this value. It's very likely that you will scratch the piano black trim with your fingernail, especially over time as well. Same with the screen. Even areas around the grille, for example, it's also going to be very prone to stone chips. So we've paint protected all around the grille. That is pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed these PPF videos, make sure you subscribe with notifications on, hit the like button, and check out the rest of the videos we have on the channel. And also check out our different packages on our website down in the description. And we'll see you guys in the next one.